Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a promo code on Prizepicks for the first time. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is first of all go to Prizepicks and access it either on the website of theirs or their official app. Then first thing you just need to know is that the Prizepick promo code is simply a code with the special offers, right? So once you have received your Prizepicks promo code and if you would like to use it, all you gotta do is simply sign up using your promo code. And this max bonus is given by the Prizepicks itself. You can use this one as well while signing up for the first deposit of yours. And then you simply have to submit your lineup. Once you have done that, you will get the $50 in promo funds will appear in your account instantly right away. And over here it's shown how you can do it. You can see you just have to enter your email and in the promo code section enter the promo code and tap on continue. You are good to go. So to do that, you just have to go to the signing in tab, and while signing in, when they ask for the promo code, which is given optional, without that as well you can sign in, but before signing in, make sure to add the promo code that you have received. Tap on continue and you will be able to use it right away like that. That's how you can redeem or use it. Hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.